There's no shortage of rides between Disneyland and Disneysea at Tokyo Disney Resort. If you are a train aficionado, there are a few experiences that you should not miss. Today, we have a one-track mind and are going to ride the most iconic train rides at the two parks. So all aboard and let's go! When you think of a Disney resort train, the first thing that probably comes to mind are the iconic monorails. Monorail systems can be found at several resorts, including Disneyland, California, Disney World in Florida, and Tokyo Disney Resort. The monorail at Tokyo Disney is quite a bit different than in the two US parks. Like a normal public tram, it's a paid service. A ticket for one full loop for adults is 260 yen, and for children is 130 yen. Other tickets such as day, commuter, and group passes are also available. Though you do get free length of stay passes if you stay at a Tokyo Disney Resort hotel. The trains here are highly themed, from the Mickey Mouse-shaped windows and hanging candles to the colorful seating. The monorail stops at 4 stations, including JR Maihama Station, Disneyland Resort Station, Bayside Station, and Disneysea Station. The entire loop, stopping at each of the stations, is about 13 minutes. Our tip: try to get the very front seat of the first train car, where you are treated to a fun driver's view of the ride. Hopefully you'll have better luck with the weather than we did. Since the next stop of this monorail is Tokyo Disneysea, let's go check out the buzz about this park's iconic railway next. This park is home to the Disneysea Electric Railway. The elevated 2-car electric train travels between Port Discovery and the American waterfront areas of the park. A trip each way provides fantastic views of the park and the harbor. It's not a looped track though, so you must disembark and re-queue to travel back in the other direction. A one-way trip is about 2.5 minutes. Our tip: make sure to ride the train in both directions and sit on each side of the car so you get to see all the incredible views. Okay, let's stay on track and head back over to Disneyland Park to blow off some steam on the Western River Railroad. This classic steam train boards in Adventureland and rides a closed-loop track around the Jungle Cruise and western side of the park. In addition to the park views, you'll see various animatronic scenes, including an incredible dinosaur diorama. The entire ride takes around 15 minutes. Unlike other Disney parks, this train does not loop around the outside of the park and does not make any stops. At the time this train line was originally constructed, Japanese law stipulated that trains with more than one stop must follow conventional train laws, including adherence to timetables and fare collection. Even though this was a private line, it would have had to follow those laws. To get around that, the line was built as a loop with no intermediate stops. There are 4 different steam locomotives that operate on this line, which are named after American rivers: Colorado, Missouri, Rio Grande, and Mississippi. Each has a different color livery and train number that corresponds to important dates in Disney history. Our tip: try to sit on the right side of the train car for the best views.
それではこれからさらに時間を遡って皆さんをある特別なところにご案内することにしましょう。息を潜めてどうぞお静かに。それから本日はウエスタンリバー鉄道をご利用いただき ありがとうございました。また遊びに来てください。
Okay, before we get derailed, we have one last honorable mention. Big Thunder Mountain Railway isn't technically a train, it's a roller coaster. Still, its train-based theming and heritage can't be denied, and it's always a joy to ride. It's the wildest ride in the wilderness, after all. We hope you've enjoyed this look at the wonderful trains at Tokyo Disney Resort. Do you have a favorite Disney train ride? Let us know in the comments.